Assalamualaikum, saya Kurnia Aulia Arini, 2019-015438 dari kelas S8E. Optimum development of student ability to be creative, independent, responsible, and solve problems is a big responsibility of educational activities. Therefore, understanding personal potential is very important for the development of student as well human beings. School must be able to provide the intent professional service in the form of guidance and counseling service, because school at the second living environment after the family, where children are within a certain number of hours. The guidance and counseling teachers effort have a role in understanding students, understanding all their potential and weakness, helping overcome difficulties and problems faced by students, both problems that arise in learning activities and personality problems. Students such as difficulties in understanding the lesson due to lack of attention from the teacher, the mental weakness of a child, and the lack of parental supervision resulting in problems, for example with the orange of braves, withdrawing for lesson, coming late to school, being absent, fighting with peers at school, smoking in secret in the school complex, lack of moral and moral in conditions like this. The guidance and counseling teacher service is very important to overcome and find solution in solving the difficulties and problems faced by these students. So they thought this guidance and counseling service students at school have the opportunity to express their feeling and tell the problems and difficulties they face to the counseling guidance teacher. The function of counseling guidance is in line with the general objective, namely the purpose of providing counseling assistance service is to try to help students find their personality, recognize their strengths and weakness, and accept themselves positively and dynamic as a capital for the intention that students get to know that the environment objective, both the social environment and the physical environment, and accept various environmental conditions in a positive and dynamic manner as well. Human personality is a combination of various people's self-concept. If examined more deeply, actually, this process has been going on by giving experience and coloring on development. So in general, it is said the personality is an internal process that is conscious, carried at physical and mentally, so that an unique or distinctive adjustment is also formed for everyone in every environment. Based on the explanation above, the guidance and counseling teacher service are urgently needed in direct and guiding students in a better direction, because the implementation of counseling guidance includes a place in counseling process with direct approach, technique, indirect approach, and elective approach. This approach aims to success and facilitate the implementation of counseling guidance. When viewed from the function and role of counseling guidance in education, it is very helpful in shaping the personality of students, because the guidance and counseling technique is very effective for creating good student personalities. In an effort to form an optimal personality for students at school, it is necessary to have counseling, where one of the factors that determine this success in the guidance and counseling used by BK teacher in shaping student personalities. In students, there are personalities that are still unstable, so they need guidance and counseling that their personalities are better. Guidance and counseling is not only about students who are involved, but also provide guidance to students in the form of the student personality. One of the factors for the low personality of student is the background and lack of guidance and direction for student. Education is needed by student and personality development because with education a person knows what to do to achieve safety, happiness, success, success in life. Incidents like this not only occur in elementary school but can be found in secondary school. Based on observation and observation, namely that the personality of student seen from the perspective of morality, morals, or behavior, and student ethics is categorized as lacking in terms of courtesy, discipline, like to pull out during class hours, oppose the teacher, sits in the canteen at the learning process take place, and the students are not focused in the learning process and mutual respect for fellow friends and teacher does not even reflect a good personality. This is motivated by the influence of social environment is everyday life, lack of attention from parents, teacher, and people around them. Guidance and counseling is a series of service programs provided to students so that they are able to develop better. Guidance and counseling is held in school starting from the elementary level and even preschool up to the highest level. Some experts state that counseling is the core or heart of guidance activities. There are also those who say that counseling is a type of guidance service. The term guidance includes counseling activities in order to clearly understanding the meaning of guidance and counseling. The meaning of guidance and counseling will be further explained here. The purpose of counseling guidance in school is inseparable from the goals of education, so that the goal is a very important thing in every action, because it will be a guide so that an action have a definite direction. The main objective of guidance and counseling service in school is to help every student to that they can develop as much as possible according to the abilities for this child. This goal is primarily aimed at students and individuals who are given assistance, but in fact the purpose of guidance and counseling in school is not limited to students only, but also to the school as a whole and to the community. According to Praitno and Erman Poem, there are several foundations of guidance and counseling, namely 1. Psychopical foundation, 2. Religious foundation, 3. Psycho-legal foundation, 4. Socio-cultural foundation, 5. Scientific and technology foundation, and 6. Pedagogical foundation. Thank you.